Containers come in all shapes, sizes, and materials. We predominantly work with Root Maker grow bags or Root Trapper 2s. That's what these white ones are, and then these are the 5-gallon pots that serrate down and have air pockets and air prune the roots. The white ones here are very beneficial. They are a grow bag that air prunes the roots. When the roots get close to the edge, they shoot off and create more fibrous roots. They're porous, they allow water to go through, but they also hold moisture very well. These have been used for about 4 years now, and not really any issue with the coating. This white coating is a tempered coating that actually helps protect and keep the roots of the plants cooler during the hottest portions of the year. Now we've got 10 gallons, we've got 7 gallons, this is a 15-gallon. We've got some 60 gallons grow bags over there. We also have rhubarb in just large containers. So whether you're using a root maker product or a Rubbermaid container or any type of device, we want to make sure that the proper drainage is provided. We want to make sure that adequate sunlight is provided for the plants in which you're trying to grow. You have good soil in the container, and be vigilant of the container and what's going on. And be sure you water it, because the containers are going to dry out quicker no matter if you're in a root grow bag or any type of container. Because it's elevated, it's going to evaporate the soil, the moisture out of the soil quicker. Keep in mind, the more soil you have in the container, the slower it's going to dry out. The smaller the mass, the quicker it will evaporate. So keep that in mind when you're growing in containers. Have a watering schedule, either set it on your phone or some type of means of remembering that every so many days you need to check. And even in the hottest portions of the summer, you may have to water your containers in the morning and in the evening. You also can use mulch on your containers, shredded leaves, chemical-free dry grass clippings, straw. We utilize pine needles because, one, they're available. The neighbor across the street threw them out, so I brought them over and created a pile for them. Two, they are very dense and they don't blow away. They won't break down very quickly, and they add a nice blanket to the soil to hold that moisture in to keep the plants healthy.
For more information, please visit thewisconsinvegetablegardener.com.